What brings you, Jennifer, to MJBiz?
All the weed,
Oh yeah?
all the technology, the vibes, you know?
What do you do in the space?
So I'm in marketing and I'm also in promotions. I'm an artist, I'm a rapper, I'm a TV host. I've worked in this space doing a lot of consulting, working with clients with packaging, with ideas, with
Nice.
sourcing. So yeah, I'm here to check out the products.
What's your favorite song? Most popular song?
What you smoking on? I know it ain't a five. The shit that I be puffing, how you hide in the sky. Wanna blaze on? Man, my shit potent. If you ain't coughing and smoking, I be smoking on that flake. I be smoking on all that gas. Green Planet. Smoking on Green Planet.
It's very nice. Very nice. Well, how's the show been for you?
Honestly, good. I was just hanging out with Mike Tyson. He did pass the joint. So it was cool though. Yeah.
You didn't pass the joint, that was rude.
No, it was not rude. I was just staring at him while he hit the shit, but it was cool, you know.
Yeah.
It's been fun. Yeah, it's been a good time. I've been connecting. I've been seeing a lot of friends that, you know, have cannabis brands and they're just here showing off and stuff. So yeah, it's cool.
Amazing.
I'm
go
actually having so much fun.
Oh, good.
It's really, it's so cool to see the cannabis industry, you know,
Evolve.
yeah, and do stuff like this. I mean,
Yeah.
we have thousands of companies showcasing what they're doing out here, from the technology, the growing, the plants, to packaging, to their homes.
Yeah.
It's kind of cool to see. I've been smoking weed for a long time, so it's cool to see stuff like this happen,
Okay.
you know?
If you had some advice for the general public, should they come to the show?
Oh, definitely.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah. It's worth the price. Yeah, of course. Tap into the show for sure. It's a great way to just get that knowledge, learn about the industry, connect. Networking is key. Just meeting the right people.
Absolutely.
I would 100% say tap in to get a ticket for sure. It was worth the $30 parking I paid to pull out here.
Great. That's good. It's good. So that's exciting.
Yeah.
So we get to see more MJBizCon 2024.
Yeah, thank you so much. Appreciate your